learn the sloka when we tell morning, when you wake up. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule Sista Gauri, Prabhate Karadarshana. Let's learn Saraswati sloka. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Let's learn Guru sloka. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. God is everywhere. Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Cha Saka Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Let's learn Durga mantra. Om Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvada Sadake Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Let's learn Omkaram. Omkaram Bindu Samyuktyam Nityam Dhyayanti Yoginaha Kamadam Mokshadam Chaiva Omkaraya Namo Namaha. Let's learn Hanuman sloka. Manojavam Marusatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Varanayuda Mukyam Shri Ramadutam Sirasa Namami. Let's learn Mahalakshmi sloka. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pite Surapujite Shankha Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Let's learn Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavitur Varanyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Let's learn Navagraha sloka. Adityaya Somaya Mangalaya Budaya Cha Guru Shukra Shani Basya Rahuve Ketave Namaha. Now let's learn Vishnu sloka. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadaram Gagana Sadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Bhridyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanadam. Let's learn Krishna sloka. Achyutam Keshavam Ramanarayanam Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Hari Sridharam Madhavam Gopika Vallabham Janaki Nayakam Ramachandram Bhaje. Now let's learn the sloka we'll tell before eating food. There are 4 slokas. You can tell any one of them. Harir Data, Harir Bhota, Harir Annam Prajapati, Harir Vipra Sharirastu Bhumte Bojayate Harihi. Second, Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Prana Vallabe Istakamanta Siddhartam Bhikshan Dehi Ja Parvati Matamini Parvati Devi चतुर्विधं शान्ति श्लोक असतो मा सद्गमया